Hey everyone, here's here with I Download Blog. So when I got my Apple Watch Series 4, I decided not to put a passcode on it for this time, and knowing there were a couple consequences of that, but I wanted to see just what it was like to use an Apple Watch without a passcode. And so now I want to talk about pros and cons of passcode versus no passcode. So when you have no passcode on your Apple Watch, you just take it off of your charger, you put it on your wrist, it starts getting notifications instantly. You don't really have to worry about anything, because when you have a passcode, immediately when you take it off your wrist, it will lock, and then in order to put it back on your wrist, you have to unlock it before it starts getting any notification. Not a huge deal by any means, but it does mean that you do have to enter in your passcode before you can start getting any notifications. That means if you take your watch off on your charger and you just put your phone in your pocket and you get going, you won't get any text on your Apple Watch or notifications on your Apple Watch until you do unlock it. That's pretty much it in terms of the pros of having it unlocked, is that you get notifications without having to type in your passcode. However, there are a lot more advantages if you do put a passcode on your Apple Watch, which I have discovered. So the first thing is that Apple Pay needs to have a passcode on your watch. That way it will know that it's most likely you that's using this if you're trying to pay for something with your watch. Having Apple Pay on your watch is super convenient if you're a person that ever finds yourself without your phone. So for instance, like me on a run, I can just pay for things if I ever need to stop with my Apple Watch because it has Apple Pay set up, but you do have to have the passcode turned on in order to use that. So if you don't use Apple Pay on your watch, this won't be an issue for you, but if you do need to have a passcode. Secondly, if you want to use your Apple Watch to unlock your Mac, that does require a passcode as well, so that people aren't unlocking your Mac just by having possession of your Apple Watch. So if you have a passcode turned on your Apple Watch, when you open up the lid of your computer or you turn on your Mac, it can automatically unlock if it is in proximity of your Apple Watch, which is a cool continuity feature. Additionally, by having the passcode on your watch, anytime that you take it off, like I said, it locks and you have to put it back on, you have to unlock it. So that means it will protect your privacy from messages or anybody using Siri to contact somebody, or any other personal data that you might have in your photos, in your mail, in your stocks app, anything like that. Having the passcode does ensure that when you have your watch off, nobody is going through it, and nobody can use it without the passcode, and no notifications as well will pop up without the passcode. So it's definitely a big privacy feature. And what's nice though is that having a passcode doesn't have to be a big deal, because you can turn on the setting that when you unlock your iPhone while your watch is locked, it will unlock your watch. So that makes it really convenient to have a passcode on, because sometimes you won't ever have to type it in a given day. But anytime that you shower or take it off, you will have to type the passcode back in, unless you just use your phone to unlock it. I want to do a quick 15-second shout out for Mifa bands. They have some awesome leather bands that have silicone on the inside of them. So if you're somebody that likes to be active and you don't want to switch out of your leather band, this can do both. It looks good, it's super comfortable, and it's really affordable, and it comes in a few new colors now. A link will be in the description. So at the end of the day, having a passcode on your Apple Watch allows you to unlock your Mac, allows you to use Apple Pay, and keeps things secure. And it also is really easy to unlock using your iPhone with another continuity feature. However, if you want something that's a little bit more simplified and you don't ever have to type in a passcode, and you don't want to use Apple Pay, and you aren't concerned about people getting a hold of it, well then no passcode will work for you. Let me know what you use, passcode or no passcode, and your reasons why down below. I'm definitely going back to passcode so I can get Apple Pay and unlock my Mac with my watch. Anyway, let me know down in the comments. Make sure to check out Mifa bands. Thank you for watching.